In this video, I'll show you how to use the live text option on your iPhone 13, 13 mini or 13 Max Pro. First, open the camera app and put the text you want to use right in front of the camera so it can see it. And then you'll have to select it with your finger, whatever you want. So let's say I just want the title. You can just press the title and then you need to click the small icon that is on the lower right side. And the title will be there and I'll show you how to do stuff. But let's say you want the text just under it. All right, so if you want that text, just tap on the text and then click this icon that is live text icon. All right, and from then, all you have to do is, let's say you just want a sentence from all this text. Keep it pressed and then you'll be able to select, as you can see with the cursor, the exact specific words or sentences you want from this text. And then you can copy it and paste it whatever you want, in a message, in a search bar, you choose. You can also select all. This means all the text here will be selected. And as I told you, let's say I make a copy here. I can simply go in my messaging app and let's say I can paste it in the message. Paste, and voila. Everything that is on this piece of paper is copied right there. Another thing you can do is to look up whatever text it was. You can search the web or search, if you selected a specific word, you can search it in the dictionary. Another thing you can do is, if you are typing, and this can be in a search bar or again in a messaging app like this one, you can tap here and as you can see, there's the live text option. You can select. The camera will open right under and it will try to scan everything that is in the front of the camera. Okay, once you're happy with this, just press the insert button and the text will stay there and you can send it or do whatever you want with it. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you in the next one.